Let's go. Let's go. 2021. Talk about personal credit. We'll talk about FHC Bank Group at Gmail. What up, Ro? That's my guy. I sent you an email about my appointment. For sure, I'm going to get to my email. I'm going to get to it. Damn, man, that's a lot of questions, man. I wish no crypto today, just personal credit, 2021. My strategies, man, like I tell people, man, a lot of people ask me about age corporations, business, trucking, cannabis. If y'all know me, y'all been following me, I always use credit as a tool anytime I do business. That's all I talk about. Oh, damn, I did say 3:30. Oh, I meant to say 3 p.m. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. If you want, you got to email me about that. Any mentorship, just email me. Man, I don't be expecting all these questions, man. Let me get to it, man. Personal credit, man. I like to tell people, get your personal credit right before you even step into business funding and stuff like that, because a lot of stuff is changing, and it's changing more towards the bank statement. Bank statement, it's a lot of bank statement funding out here. Now, if you can move money through your bank account, you can really get funding, and you can get funding a lot faster. So you don't even have to have a perfect credit score, but if you can show what you've been doing in the last 6 months, and you got 5 accounts with positive history for the past 6 months, you could turn around and use that with a corporation to get funding. It's a lot of fintech companies or third-party finance companies that's actually funding business off their bank statements and their cash flow. So yes, basically, when you're doing this for them data points, you want to have all that stuff lined up. I see a lot of people thinking just because they have a 700 score, because you can have a 700 credit score, and it could be with 1A or 2 AUs with a weak credit score. So I like to tell people, I don't even do revolving accounts unless they're going to be at least a 5K limit, because you never want to put yourself in a box when you get these small secured cards or small unsecured cards like a Capital One $300 card, Credit One Bank. I stay away.